hello once again. Natagalan po ako bumalik. It was hard for me to come back to this video again because of my baby. Yeah, whatever age she is right now, she is still my baby po. And sa mga nagsasabi po na ang breastfeeding ay hanggang 1 year old lang or 2 years old lang, masasabi ko po ay sa opinion nyo po yan or siguro sa konteksto ng lugar kung saan kayo nakatira. As for me po, I do believe na ang breastfeeding po ay lagpas 2 years old pwede pa siya. Maraming nagsasabi na hanggang 6 years old daw, 7 years old, nagdedede pa yung mga anak nila. Siguro hindi ko naman po mapaabuti ng ganun. At ayoko din po na mag-trending yung videos namin dahil lang doon sa breastfeeding na yon. Okay? And for all we know, there are so many people or maybe some beliefs na pangit yung ginagawa nating mga babae kapag nakikita tayong nagpapadede ng mga anak natin. Well, siguro dapat nasa tama tayong lugar. So this our channel shows you some of the things that we do as a child and as a mom. And we do respect your opinions po. And let's go back to the topic. So kakaligo lang po natin. Ayan. Gumamit po tayo ng natural shampoo. So, the natural shampoo po ay, mega love shout out po sa gumawa nito, yung Likhang Diwa. So, yung Likhang Diwa po ay, ang gumawa po niyan ay isang kakilala natin na, yes baby, na not yet na. I think this one. Yeah, what will you watch? Wait lang po. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. Ayun, nakabalik na po ulit kami. Going back to the topic, we are using natural soaps. Not just soaps, but also natural products. And plants. Yan. Fruits, vegetables, naturally grown in our little garden. Okay? For today, or for tonight, or for this afternoon, let me again tell you that I am reviewing, just a simple review of the shampoo that we've been using. Baby, say hello again. Hi, everyone. She's busy, but she likes it too. She likes what mommy uses, especially if it's something interesting. So, ito po, actually nilabas niya na she put outside the soaps which are inside of this. So, most of my language will be in English, but of course, I am a Filipino. I will speak Tagalog also po. So, Tagalog is the language of the Filipinos. Okay, so most of the Filipinos understand Tagalog po. So, mega love shout out po sa mga kababayan natin sa abroad. Again, ito po yung mga sabon. Ito po, nagamit na rin namin siya. Actually, maganda po yung mga cover ng Likhang Diwa soaps. By the way, they also have a Shopee account. So, Shopee is like an online store here in the Philippines. Ito po yung conditioner. So, pagkatapos mag-shampoo, you use conditioner. Hair conditioner. Ano yan? Kit-kit ng cover, ng cloth. Okay. And also, this one, which I used earlier, this is the shampoo. Yan. So, hindi ako nagkamali. Yan. I will also put on the description below the links to the unboxing. You'll see there the name tags of each of these soaps and the contents. Wait lang po. Here we go again. Ayun, nag-pause po akong konti kanina kasi po dumating po yung sasakyan ni Mama. Because we are staying in the garage. This is just a small room in front of the garage area of my parents. This is the sample of the the information about sorry, hindi siya malinaw. Okay? Somehow not clear, but I hope you can read it. So, this is the example of the instruction, the information about the shampoo. So, for the shampoo, eucalyptus with aloe vera extract. So, that's the content or the components of the shampoo that I used earlier. So, you can actually smell. I can actually smell the eucalyptus. And the aloe vera, it shows because when I combed my hair a while ago, it is soft or smooth. So it's smooth. Unlike other shampoo bars that I used before, that when I use them after bathing or after my bath, when I comb my hair, it's really rough. Okay, rough. Or rough. Yan, magaspang. But this one is smooth. Look. Parang pwedeng pang thumbnail. Ayan. So, yun po. Siguro next time I can have a simple review of the body soap and also the conditioner. Yan. So, thank you so much for listening. Again, these soaps are intended for adults. Wala naman pong nakalagay na for children. But, I typically use small amounts of this in some portions of my baby's skin and see whether there are irritations. So that would test if she is able to check, she is able to have good reactions to the soaps. But since this is all natural, this soap is all natural, it means there's a high possibility. I'm a science teacher, by the way, and still researching. Although, of course, I cannot say 101% that I am sure. You can always fact check, cross-check, research what I'm saying. So, again, I am telling you that you need to test a small portion of your skin first in reaction to the soap. Okay? So, hopefully, the reaction would not be pangit or bad. Then, you can use it all around your body. So that would mean it's safe to use. Again, for us to stay healthy, continue to have a healthy lifestyle. Sleep well, eat well, drink well, use as much as possible natural products, eat fruits and vegetables, which are, if you can, organic, if you can buy organic, or homegrown, or if you have a little garden at home, you can grow your own food.